All right, friends, here's a tour of the 2008 Dodge Sprinter 3500 170 wheelbase. This van is perfect for anybody who has a dog. This is Frida. She's 60 pounds. I got this crate on Amazon so you can find it easily. Just a quick little peek to what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up so you can see for yourself that there's no warning lights besides the low gas that I have and the open door. You're good. So you'll also notice that I have a large screen, Bluetooth, as well as auxiliary and backup camera. So I'll go ahead and show you that now. It's really good, really accurate. I love it. The AC works, the heater works, everything works perfectly, to be honest with you. So, and there's, I mean, just to mention, there's so much storage space. This is for a GoPro. I can remove that if you don't want it. But there's so much space up here. There's so much space right here. There's glove box, and I put like binders and books and dog toys and these little pockets and water bottles. And then you've got your drink holder there. So yeah, it's a pretty good dig. I hang my hats here, broom, hiking pack, and window covers. You can have those. They're customized to fit these exact windows, so you can stealth at night if you'd like. Everything is really customized because I live full time, so like got a little key hook, got a little Kenwood hook, like everything's really set up for you. Spice rack, propane oven. Yes, you can bake brownies in nature, and yes, it is just as amazing as it sounds. She works beautifully. She gets up to, I've ever used her up to about 500, but she gets high, and it runs off of propane. While we're in this little area, I'll go ahead and show you. So we've got the propanes here. Forgive me, I told you I live full time in it and things get a little out of sorts sometimes, but this is a fireproof safe. It's got a code that I will give you, and it fits a laptop. It's pretty big, if you can't see. It definitely fits at least a 15-inch laptop. You're gonna notice me using this because all of the locks are magnets. So without it, you can't open it, which is great because when you're driving, there's no way these babies are gonna bust open and have all of your things fall out and break. So I love it. That was a lesson that was hard learned for me. So, you will also notice I have a big spice rack here. It's for 1 pint, I believe. Mason jars. They fit wonderfully. And everything is held down by little tacky things or Velcro that I have extra of, and you're welcome to. Right now, the pantry is full. I just went grocery shopping, but it works out pretty well for me. You're welcome to have all of these little crates and things I keep things organized in. Here is actually the toilet. I'll go ahead and remove Buddha. And this beautiful candle. Kind of hard to do one-handed when you have a bag in the way. But you lift it up, secure it with a block that's right here, easy to get to. I'll remove all of these National Park stickers if you want, but yeah, everything's really customized. There's a bag of compost. I've got 3 more that you're welcome to have. You do remove it, so you just pop open the tab, remove the urine compartment, and every 3 months you do the compost. Pardon that, but it's really quick and no one ever knows that you actually have a toilet in here, which is kind of nice. You'll notice that I have 1 and 2 outlets, which was an extra charge when I had it converted, but they each have the USB and the usual guy that we're used to seeing. I've got this pretty nice fridge. It is made especially for vans and RVs, so it does not kill your battery power. It's got a freezer right there, a veggie thing right there. Please keep in mind when you're seeing things, I am living in it full time, but whenever you get the van, it will be fully cleaned and in mint condition. Okay, so like I said, everything is just ready to go. Like, these things took me forever to find, to fit into these little places, but they will be staying for you. 5-gallon gray water. We've got our pump to turn it on. She works like a charm. She also detaches. We have soap dispenser, which is really easy when you're washing dishes, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's see, yeah, I had this window installed. It's great. It's tinted from the outside, so you can't really see. This beautiful macrame curtain. Fruit basket, which can stay if you want it to. I've got this Wii Boost, which is definitely worth speaking about because it saved me so many times when I was in nature. It is a cell booster, so when you're in areas of bad cell service, it helps boost your bars so that you can actually figure out your directions or text somebody or whatever. Okay, so we have this beautiful table. It's at sitting height right now, but I've used it before to stand and work, which is great. It moves all around, which is fabulous because you can just slide it over and make this like a little day bed and read a book right here and look out the doors. This is the 20-gallon water tank and the main frame, like all the wiring, the things, you know. And then back here, we have our 4 100 AMP batteries. I store some things back here that are not metal, like a cutting board and a book bag and a little box of things. Over here is where I keep all of my bedding. It's pretty large. The bed is 5 by 5, but diagonally it's 7. I'm 5'2", so I'm lowballing the measurement because I can sleep any direction. So it's definitely forgiving if you're 5'2". If you're not, then you can sleep diagonal, which a lot of people do because more counter space is so worth it. Okay, we open up. All right, not pushing hard enough. Okay. Please find humor in that. Another thing is I had these back doors paneled so that they look so much nicer than just the bare bones. I also had mosquito nets put in, so you don't have to worry about bugs. That's on both doors. The doors actually fling all the way back. Really easy. You just have to unhitch this guy and they go all the way and have a magnet that holds them on the side. But yeah, everything is pretty nice and organized. You've got a lot of cabinet space, like all throughout the van is cabinet space. All throughout, literally every inch you can possibly imagine I've utilized for storage, which is really important. I also have a little book nook there. That's where I keep all my pots and pans. Yeah, I think we're pretty good here. I also have Garmin InReach, which is a satellite communicator, which you can also have. It's excellent when there is no cell service and you absolutely need to get in touch with somebody and let people know you're alive. Yeah, I think she's an absolute beaut. Oh, I will show you this miracle, which is a full-length mirror. You can see your entire outfit, which is cool if you're a female. We also have, oh my God, forgive me. I've got too many clothes, but it is a normal closet. Like, the filter is not included, but I've got so many customizations so that you can live pretty normally for a minimalist. Yeah, tell Frida goodbye. I think I've gotten everything. Besides, just remembered, I've got a heater. It is amazing. It connects straight to your fuel line, so you don't ever have to worry about that business, and you just turn it on with one button. I'm not going to do it because it's pretty nice here in Colorado. I don't need a heater. Another thing I did want to mention is under here you're going to find the outdoor shower, which connects straight to our battery, which connects straight to our water tank, so you don't have to do a single thing. You just take it out of this compartment and put it on that hook, and you got yourself an outdoor shower, and then you just use some magnets to hang a shower curtain from door to door, and it is perfect. Yeah, I think that's the gist of this beautiful van that has served me very well. Let me know if you have any other questions. Oh, I did want to mention that she is insulated also with lizard skin, which is a great sound barrier. Obviously, I have all the doors open and there's a road right there, so you can't really tell. But she's insulated with lizard skin, as well as this faux white brick. Really helps. And we've got a fan that sucks air out or puts air in, and it has like a set room temperature, if you'd like, that is, and you can increase or decrease the speed. She also works like a charm. So yes, I think that's about it.